Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 25th through September 8th. For August 25th to 29th, hasn't changed much since yesterday. We still have a trough. We still have a trough here over the northwest and the northeast. Well, actually along the west coast, and we have our strong ridge here in the middle of the country, with above normal heights covering a large area of the country, generally from the western Rockies into the southeast. Now, this ridge will eventually, as we go through the period, be pushed to the south. You can see a little bit it's been pushed now to the south, but it'll be still there. Now, the trough across the Great Lakes in the northeast will allow for below normal temperatures across the lakes in the mid-Atlantic region. And then we're going to look at a couple of systems moving through the northern stream, bringing several fronts into the east, and that would bring some showers and storms to the area. And also, you can see here, we have moisture occurring, monsoonal moisture occurring in the Four Corners area, and that'll bring some heavy rain and possible flooding due to monsoonal moisture. We're going to look at the period now for August 30th through September 3rd. And we still have our trough configuration, but our ridge now is more across the west and the southwest. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast here, with the anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees, at least 8 degrees above normal across this area here. Now, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here, probability of occurrence near 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast for this region, probability of occurrence near 35%. Now we're going to look at the period for September 4th to the 8th. And now it hasn't changed much since yesterday. The flow is a little flatter, zonal flow pretty much across the northern states. And we have a ridge, although weaker here, centered across the southwest, southern plains, across the southern states. So this brings, for this forecast period, not much change since yesterday, calling for a little change in the temperature anomalies from the previous period. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 40%. Below normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Again, we're going to look now at the tropics again because we have a lot of activity going on. This is the map from the Hurricane Center. Here's Arnold. Tropical storm, that'll be dying down, but bringing heavy rain, as I stated yesterday or the day before, brings to Texas, parts of southern Texas, into Mexico. Franklin, that's a little questionable, although we're going to take a look at the radar, at the satellite imagery. Here's Franklin, and it's hard to find like a center in this system, as the plane reported, and most of the convection. The low level circulation is down here, the deep convection is up here, and it could be developing a new center. That being said, if that's done, we're wondering now if we'll have a trough here dipping down here, will pick up Franklin, or will it miss it? But there will be a new trough here, eventually occurring across eastern Canada, and that'll might steer it northward away, and we'll take a look at what the forecast models say. So we'll take a look at the forecast models here. Here's Franklin, and we look at the GFS. See, it goes in, and now it's further to the east of what we saw yesterday. That's the GFS, so we'll take a look at the European. A little closer to the east coast, especially across southeast, but also brings it way out to the ocean. But we have other systems to watch. Here's another one, 30% chance. And it'll be a little unfavorable, but here has a chance. And also this one has a 40% chance due to marginally favorable conditions here for a tropical storm. So the tropics remain active, and we still have a lot to keep our eye out on, and don't let our guards down. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 25th through September 8th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.